Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Lever. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this huge falling wedge pattern. And you can see that the price line has bounced very well from this support of the wedge. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Lever that I shared on 26th of May 2023 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Lever that I shared on 26th of May 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Lever formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And this was, by the way, more than 13% rally on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Lever formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And I shared, by the way, this idea in the month of November 2022. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started in a very, very nice reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 25% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live weekly time frame chart for Lever, and here we can see that it is forming a kind of repetitive move. Like this was the down channel, and after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low of November 2022 up till this high, then you can see it was more than 484% pump. Same as like that, we have this time formed another falling wedge pattern. And after this spike, by the way, you can also call it as a down channel as well, because we had a long spike but could not break down the support. But after this more touch point, this has become a down channel. And you can see from the resistance, we got rejection here in the month of December 2022. Then we got rejection here and here and here as well. And after this rejection, the price line has again dropped at the support of the wedge. And after testing, you can see we had a long spike up to this support of the wedge but could not break it down. And at the same time, we have also tested this very long-term support of point double zero $1120. And after that, we have this significant support here at point $0.000959. And the price line had a spike almost up to this last support, but even did not break down this support of $0.001120. And now it is geared up. This time the resistance of the wedge, this channel, will be here approximately at $0.001458. And before that, we also have this long-term resistance of $0.0013 as well. Once the price line will be able to break out this resistance, this downtrend line resistance of the down channel, then I'm expecting that it can start a very, very massive rally to the upside. And that the target, by the way, for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $0.0054, approximately at half cents. Like previously, after this breakout, we had a rally up till this level. Same as like that, we can expect another rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.